Hi Printbest peeps, I'm Kelly, back with another how-to tutorial. In this week's video, I'm going to be showing you the ins and outs of shipping with Printbest. We are going to be covering how you can calculate flat rate shipping rates with our products, how we can apply our live shipping rates to your e-commerce store, and finally, how to set up free shipping in your online store. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand how shipping works in general with Printbest. We have production. Our production time is 1 to 5 business days. When completed, we promptly ship the order out, including shipping. The shipping time will depend on where your client is. When they check out, they will see the estimated shipping time, equaling estimated delivery. This is the total time in which your client can expect to receive the order. Now, how do we calculate flat shipping rates? First, step 1, identify which category your product falls under using the information below. Step 2, take the first item price and add the additional items price for any additional items in your order, and that equals your total flat shipping rate. Now let's look at some examples. All of our pricing is in Canadian for this video, by the way. So for our t-shirts, tank tops, and long sleeve shirts, the first item would be $6.99 shipping rate. Any additional items is $1.25 per piece. Any items you order in addition to your first item would be considered additional items. The maximum number of items to qualify for a flat rate for these is 4. Sweatshirts and hoodies, the first item is $7.99 shipping rate. Any additional items are $2 per piece, equaling a maximum number of items to qualify for flat rate is 3. Mugs and bottles, our first item is $9.90 shipping rate. Any additional items is $2 per piece, equaling the maximum number of items to qualify for flat rate is 3. For our puzzles, the first item would be $9.16 shipping rate. This would be the rate if you order only one item from this category, as there are different options. Any additional items is $1 per piece. The maximum number of items to qualify for flat rate is 3. Our stretch Canva prints, the first item would be $14.97. This would be the rate if you order only one item from this category, as there are multiple items. Any additional items would be an additional $6 per piece. The maximum number of items to qualify for flat rate is 5. For posters, the first item is $13.28. Again, there are multiple items in this category. Any additional items would be $1 per piece. The maximum number of items to qualify for flat rate is 4. And yard signs. Our first item would be $9.97 shipping rate. Additional items would be $1 per piece, and the maximum number of items to qualify for this flat rate is 10. So now that we figured out how to calculate flat shipping rates, let's look at how to apply live shipping rates to our e-commerce store. So as you already know, Printbest integrates with Etsy, WooCommerce, and Shopify. To figure out how to apply live shipping rates to your Etsy store, this is how it's done. Printbest Etsy integration comes with shipping profiles designed to match our flat rates. So when you connect your Etsy store, you will automatically get our shipping rates for our products. There's no need to manually apply live rates to your store. So to see how this works, if we go to my Printbest dashboard, click on View All Stores, click on View Store for my Etsy shop. So as you can see, I already have a Printbest product uploaded in here. It's the Gildan Adult Heavy Cotton Men's T-shirt. And here you can see it in my Etsy shop. This is just a very basic version for this video. And this is how you can see our live shipping rates. So go on to Etsy. You're going to click Shop Manager. You are going to click Settings, then Delivery Settings. And here you can already see that the Printbest shipping profile has uploaded here. So we have tank tops, long sleeve shirts, posters, puzzles, hoodies, yard signs, etc. All you can see here is the processing time, 1 to 3 business days. You can see I have an active listing here, and as the t-shirt is already uploaded to my store. And this is pretty much it. This is already synced for you, so it makes it that much more easy to ship with Etsy and Printbest. So to enable live rates to your Shopify store is also a very simple process. Getting our live rates is possible if you have a Shopify Advanced plan or if you've contacted Shopify to access live rates for an additional $20 per month. To connect Printbest live rates to your Shopify store, start from your Printbest dashboard, click on your My Stores tab, click on the gear item beside your Shopify store, and this will come up. Enable live shipping rates for Printbest products with Shopify. All you're going to do is check this off and press save. So because I'm on a free plan with Shopify, this is coming up. Live carrier service is not supported to your store. Please upgrade your plan. So I will have to upgrade my plan in order to receive these live rates. When I enable this, we will start providing the live carrier calculated rate for orders that include Printbest products. Your customer will be able to see accurate and affordable shipping rates at checkout. Please note that enabling live rates will remove any previously created Printbest flat rate shipping profiles, so consider this carefully before you make the change. If your customer adds both Printbest and non-Printbest products in their cart, Shopify will automatically take the lowest available shipping rate from both product groups and combine them together into one. Your customer will therefore only see one shipping option available at checkout. If you have products in your store that are fulfilled elsewhere, you will need to add separate shipping costs for those products through Shopify. So that's it. That's pretty much how you enable live rates with Shopify. Don't forget, you have to have an advanced plan to do so. So to enable live shipping rates to your WooCommerce store, it's very simple. All you have to do is install our Printbest plugin on your WordPress site, and that's it. It's free and saves you lots of time. So if I were to show you this, I've made a very simple WordPress site here for the purposes of this video. I'm going to go to the back end of my site here, go down to plugins, then I'm going to press add new, then I'm going to type Printbest here and install now and activate once it's installed. So here, if I scroll down, you will see it. Calculate shipping rates for products managed by Printbest. So now that that's installed, I'm going to show you in my Printbest dashboard, in my WooCommerce store, that I've already uploaded a product here. It's the Gildan Adult Heavy Cotton Men's T-shirt. So if I were to go back to my site, let's go to the home page. And because this is very basic, I don't have the t-shirt featured on the home page, so I'm just gonna search it here and it comes up. You will see. I'm gonna choose my option, choose my size, go add to basket, then click view basket. So here you can see the item is in my basket and the Printbest shipping rate is right here. Apparel flat rate, 3 business days after fulfillment, $6.99, shipping to Ontario. So that's very easy. That's it. That's how you enable live rates with the WooCommerce plugin. Now, some of you are thinking, what if I don't want Printbest live shipping rates to override my other WooCommerce shipping rates? Well, that's very simple to undo. So what you need to do is go to your WordPress dashboard, click on WooCommerce, then you'll see settings, click on settings, then click on shipping, then click on Printbest shipping, and just uncheck override standard WooCommerce shipping rates and save changes. And that's it. That's very simple. Now I'm going to show you how to set up free shipping in your online stores with Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy. So this is very simple to do. And what you're going to do is we're going to start with Shopify. So you're going to go to your settings, select shipping and delivery, go down to the Printbest app and say show. And it will show you the zones here by products. So you're going to click manage rates. And then for the Canadian rate, we're going to click edit here. You can see the existing shipping rate. Just backspace this here so it's free. Click save. We're going to do the same for the US. Backspace, free, save. Then we're going to go down, save this. So we know that our t-shirts and tank tops and long sleeve shirts will have free shipping, but we're going to need to do this for every product. So we're going to go back into show, select the next product, and do the same. So edit the rate, backspace, save. Same for the US. Edit rate, backspace, save. Save at the bottom, and we're good to go. That's how you enable free shipping with Shopify. So to set up free shipping with WooCommerce, it's even more simple. So what you're going to do is you're going to start on your WordPress site, go to your dashboard, go down to WooCommerce and select settings. You're going to select shipping and select your zone. Okay, and you're going to select add shipping method here and select free shipping and click add shipping method. And that's it. And you can turn off your flat rate just to have free shipping here. And you're going to do the same for the rest of your shipping zones. And that's it. Click save changes and you're good to go. So to set up free shipping with Etsy, it's a little more complicated. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your shop manager. You're going to click settings. Then you're going to click delivery settings. And you're going to add a delivery profile. So what you're going to put here is I'll enter fixed prices manually. The country of origin is Canada. We're going to select our processing time, which is 1 to 3 business days as indicated on the Printbest delivery rates. And with Printbest, we ship via FedEx or UPS, so I'm going to select other. I'm going to select 1 to 5 business days. And what I'll charge is free delivery. So I'm just going to garbage this because we'll set that later. And I can add another location with Printbest. In this case, it would be the US because we ship to Canada and the US only. And name on the profile. So let's just put Printbest free delivery here. And save profile. So that's saved. So what you need to do is you need to apply that profile to your listings. So I'm gonna go and select listings here, select my only listing that I've uploaded to my store previously, select add delivery profile, select Printbest free delivery, and apply. And that's how you enable free shipping with Etsy. Thanks so much for watching, Printbest peeps. Again, my name is Kelly. I will also be including further information about these important questions about shipping in the video description below. Plus, I will also be making a continuation of this video to address more shipping inquiries like weight-based shipping and what you need to know about drop shipping with Printbest, so be sure to stay tuned for that. That's it for now. I'll see you next time.